Welcome to this special edition of LOHS TV, where we'll be talking about course selection. I'm Mrs. Johns Bell, and we are also joined by Mr. Chaudhry. Along with Mr. Radmanovich and Mr. Jeffrey, we make up the Lillian Osborne's administrative team. Please note that this video is only for students currently enrolled at an Edmonton Public School. If you are not registered in Edmonton Public Schools, you can get that information for registration on our website. We would like to take this opportunity to thank our learning community, which include the hardworking staff, your parents, and of course, all of you, during these unprecedented times. Know that we truly appreciate everyone's dedication and engagement with our new educational platform. We will continue to all work together to deliver as much support as possible to each of you. Today we are broadcasting on LOHS TV to inform and explain some of the key points to our online course selection system, known as OSCR. Students this year will be able to access OSCR on SchoolZone to choose next year's courses up until April 17th. Now, with some more information, over to Mr. Chaudhry.
When you log into your SchoolZone account, a reminder, it must be your account and not your parents'. You now have an OSCR tab located in the menu bar. Click on this tab and you'll be directed to a message with a very important link providing step-by-step instructions for registration. If you do not see this OSCR tab or it isn't working, it's most likely because your parents or guardians have not yet logged into SchoolZone through their account to select Lillian Osborne as your next school. They need to complete this process of pre-enrollment before OSCR can work for you. A reminder, the deadline for your parents or guardians to pre-enroll for Lillian Osborne is April 15th at 4 p.m. And now back to the desk.
Prior to using OSCR, we want you to look at the course selection sheet appropriate to your grade level for next year. Use this information to help make a list of the courses you would like to take. These course selections can be found in the instructions document, but also on our website. We have provided in our instructions detailed information to help you understand Alberta's high school diploma requirements. If you are concerned about your graduation requirements, there is a tab in OSCR that will help you when you are selecting courses. Now, with some important information for our future grade 10s, we go back to Mr. Chaudhry.
Thank you, Ms. JB. For our students that will be coming to Lillian Osborne for grade 10, please note the following important information. All grade 10 students need to choose 8 courses in total. This will include English, Social Studies, Math, and Science. You will also choose Physical Education 10 and 3 other options. If you are already registered or are planning to take Physical Education 10 in summer school, you do not have to select Phys Ed 10 in OSCR. Instead, you can choose an additional option to make it 4 options. You will only see courses that are open for you to register in, and this is based on your grade 9 grades in this current term. If you'd like a course that you do not currently see, please refer to our contact information in OSCR instructions on SchoolZone, and we can then provide assistance to you. And now back to the desk.
Thank you, Mr. Chaudhry. In the OSCR instructions, we have also provided some information for IB courses. For those students who are registering for grade 11 and 12 and would like to choose IB courses, Mrs. Taylor is going to hold a very informative and important Google Meet on the following days and times. For current grade 11 students, Wednesday, April 8th at 3 p.m. For current grade 10 students, April 9th at 3 p.m. The Google Meet code will be sent to you via your school email and will also be posted on SchoolZone. Now, with an important message about summer school, we're going to go back to Mr. Chaudhry.
Thanks, Ms. JB. As it stands now, registrations are still open for summer school through Metro Continuing Education. There's a link to summer school registration on our school website. If you are signed up for a summer school class, you do not need to select it in your course selections in OSCR. If you're not sure yet about summer school, I would ask that you select that course when you do your course selections in OSCR. Now, back to you at the desk.
Thank you, Mr. Chaudhry. Students, the last step is probably one of the most crucial. After you've gone through and selected all your courses, it is very important that you click on Save for all of your course selections. If you do not do this, then you'll have to start again. A reminder that OSCR course selections are open today until Friday, April 17th. We want to let you know that through this process, our entire team is here to help you, so you are not alone. Please contact us at Lillian Osborne if you need more information or assistance determining which course is right for you. All of the contact information of our team is provided in your OSCR course selection instructions. We know that this is a new process for you, and we appreciate your patience as we navigate this together. Remember, we are here to help you. From all of us here at Lillian Osborne High School, stay healthy, stay safe, and don't forget to be legendary.